Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to unbox the Removu K1. This is a 4K camera with a built-in stabilizer. Let's see what's in the box. A little hidden compartment here. And we got looks like a little bag, USB. And that's it for there. And we've got our quick start guide, a whole bunch of stickers. They really want you to promote this product. And the manuals and stuff. And here is the beast itself. Alright, so let's pull that out. And it looks like that's all that's in there. So there it is. I've already charged it up. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. This looks like the battery here. You squeeze the bottom to pull out the battery. So that's kind of cool. You can quickly change batteries. Bad part I can see is the tripod mount is on the battery. So if you've got this mounted on a tripod, you're going to have to unscrew it to switch batteries. Unless of course you got a couple quick release plates for your tripod, you could then have one ready ahead of time and then you simply switch the quick release plates. Alright, so let's fire it up. I'm going to turn it on right here. First thing you got to do out of the box once you got your battery charged and ready to go is unlock it. So if you flip it around, right here there's a little unlock thing that you just slide down. That unlocks it. So then you can switch modes by doing 3 quick presses on the trigger here. So I'll show you how that works. So I've got it to film regular mode, and then if I want to do selfie mode, I do 3 quick presses, 1, 2, 3 with my thumb, and it spins around and shoots me. So that's how you can do your selfies, and then 3 quick presses and it'll turn again, 1, 2, 3. Bam. So that's a pretty cool function, one of the things I liked about this camera, why I got it. So anyway, I'm looking forward to having some fun with this. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I look forward to using this, and I will make sure to upload some of the footage I shoot from this in a future video. Enjoy, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and other craziness. See you later.